Well, howdy and welcome to Cowboy Jim's Corral. I'll be making another cowboy recipe from this cowboy cookbook. It's an easy one you've probably heard of. I'm making mush, and I'm making enough to feed 2 cow hands. Let's do it. I need to get 4 cups of water boiling. On the trail, it was normal to have grits for breakfast. But for dinner, it's all about the mush. I'm gonna add a cup of cornmeal, and I'm gonna continually stir it. Add about a tablespoon of shortening, a teaspoon of salt, and then I boil this for 6 minutes. Remove from heat and let it stand for 6 minutes. Come and get it! Time for mush! You can serve it with brown sugar, milk, even syrup or jam. Gotta love that mush. Mushy. I was attacked by a group of cows today. Luckily, I was only grazed.